Every cut starts with the holder. If the holder flexes, shifts, or delivers coolant inconsistently, it doesn't matter how good the insert is. The result will always be compromised. At Scientific Cutting Tools, we design and manufacture our tool holders with the same standard we apply to our cutting tools: precision, repeatability, and reliability in real machining environments. This isn't just accessory hardware, this is foundational tooling. All SCT holders are manufactured from heat-treated steel and engineered for maximum rigidity, consistent alignment, and efficient coolant delivery. They're designed to pair seamlessly with our single-point tools, so the entire system works together, not against itself. Whether you're optimizing setup time, improving tool life, or pushing performance in demanding materials, SCT tool holders are built to hold precision, hold tolerance, and hold up. When coolant delivery and rigidity are critical, QHC holders are built for the job. These holders are engineered for high-pressure coolant applications, featuring precision-positioned coolant holes that directly flow right to the cutting edge, exactly where it's needed. Manufactured from heat-treated steel, QHC holders use 3 lockdown screws to maximize clamping force and minimize deflection. 2 flats provide stable alignment, and optional adjustable backstop allows for fast, repeatable tool changes. Although, these holders can be coolant through or using the backstop. By using the backstop, it plugs up the ability to use the coolant through option. Available in both inch and metric shank sizes, QHC holders are built for shops that demand consistency, cooling efficiency, and control at the cut. DH holders are precision-engineered, single-point holders designed for versatility across a wide range of turning applications. Available with or without a ground flat, each holder is manufactured from heat-treated steel and secured with dual lockdown screws to maintain rigidity and alignment through the cut. There's no excess complexity here, just dependable design that holds tools exactly where they're set. Paired with SCT single-point tools, DH holders deliver repeatable performance you can rely on shift after shift. CRT holders are designed specifically to optimize single-point tooling performance. At the core is our coolant ring technology, delivering full 360-degree coolant coverage directly to the cutting edge. That means chip evacuation, more consistent cutting conditions, and improved tool life. Each CRT holder is manufactured from heat-treated steel and features dual lockdown screws for maximum rigidity under load. An adjustable backstop allows for fast, repeatable tool changes, so when a tool comes out and goes back in, your position stays where you expect it. And unlike our QHC holders, you can use both the adjustable backstop while maintaining the coolant through option. This premium holder offers the best of both worlds. Available in inch and metric sizes, CRT holders are ideal for qualified threading tools and boring bars in demanding machining environments where control and consistency matters most. SCT tool holders aren't designed in isolation. They're engineered to work as a part of a complete system, tool holder and coolant delivery, so performance is predictable, repeatable, and scalable across your operation. And when questions come up, you're not on your own. Our technical team is available to help you select the right holder, set it up correctly, and get the most out of your tool. Because when the holder is right, everything downstream gets easier. Scientific Cutting Tools, American made, precision engineered, built to perform.